In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group elements in Miro. Miro is a fantastic tool for collaboration, offering a virtual space where teams can come together seamlessly to brainstorm, plan, and execute projects. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, learning how to group elements can significantly enhance your workflow, keeping your board organized and making it easier to move and manage multiple elements at once. First, let's kick off by highlighting the objects that you want to group. This initial step is crucial as it sets the stage for everything else you're about to do. Open up your Miro board and navigate to the elements you wish to group. Using your mouse or trackpad, click and drag over the objects. This will highlight them, showing a selection box or outline around the items you have chosen. Ensure that all the elements you want to include are within this selection. If you have trouble selecting multiple items at once, remember that you can hold down the Shift key while clicking on individual elements. This tip might come in handy if your elements are scattered across the canvas rather than positioned close together. Now that you have your items selected, it's time to bring them together into a cohesive group. Look towards the toolbar, which should appear once the elements are highlighted. You're looking for the Group option, which is often depicted by a small icon showing interconnected squares or circles. Go ahead and click on Group Objects. This action will lock the selected elements into a single unit, allowing you to easily move them around, resize them, or apply changes uniformly. Grouping elements in Miro can significantly streamline your workflow. It ensures that your board remains tidy and that you can focus on the bigger picture without worrying about misplacing individual elements. Once grouped, you can also easily reconfigure by ungrouping when needed. Simply click on the grouped objects, access the same toolbar, and select Ungroup. This flexibility means you can adapt as your project evolves, which is particularly useful in dynamic collaborative environments. Miro's functionality makes project management more accessible and intuitive, especially when working with complex layouts. Remember these simple steps: select your objects, click Group Objects, and enjoy the organized ease it brings to your workflow. I hope this guide has been helpful. Try grouping elements in your next Miro project and observe how it enhances your productivity. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more features of Miro to make the most out of your collaborative endeavors.